Now, you've helped us out on a lot of projects with lead abatement, mold abatement, and now asbestos.
Right.
Now, we both know that a house of this era is going to have some asbestos in it. So how do you get started?
So the guys have already started working down here, as you can hear. We got the negative air machine running. We've got vacuum cleaners. They're banging away, taking down the walls.
Okay.
But we came in here yesterday
Yeah.
to first set up the containment. And this is our Decon Chamber, a 3-stage Decon Chamber. It starts off over here in the clean room, where the guys put their suits on and they walk in, they get the respirators, they go through the shower and into what's called the dirty room, and then down the stairs into the work area.
I see.
And this is all under negative pressure. It's under HEPA filtered negative pressure. We got an air pump downstairs running, venting clean air outside. So if there's any breach in this containment, the asbestos dust that's going on down there, or any dust, is not going to come back into the house or go outside. It gets pulled into that filter.
Okay, that's good. Do you have a way to test for that?
We do actually. Yeah, we have Darren, our hygienist here, our Asbestos Monitor. Right now he's doing monitoring outside to see if there's any fibers coming out. We have an air pump running over there. He's got a lab right here on site, and he's reading the samples as we go to make sure that there's no breaches and no issues. At the very end, he will also clear the place, which lets us take down all the containment and turn it back over to you.
Yeah. All right, so now they're tearing the stuff down. What are they doing with it when after they tear it down?
Once again, in our business, it's all about the containment and keeping the dust down. They're using a lot of water, misting it all, so there's minimum dust. All that debris is just going to get shoveled up and bagged into 6 mil special asbestos bags with labels and all. Yeah. And then it comes up here. They get goosenecked and closed. You squish all the air out that you can, and then you get them in here, and then they get passed out through here, put into a second bag, goosenecked and closed, pass through the shower and out here, and then we walk them out to the truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's a lot of work.
Sure is.
All right, so now that our material has been double bagged and washed, what do you do with it next?
We're going to bring it back to our shop, and then we have a licensed waste hauler who's going to take it to an EPA certified landfill for asbestos. And there's going to be manifests and documentation all around, so it's all safe and sound.
Wow, a lot of work goes into this.
Sure does.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.